Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. Today in this video I am going to tell you a very simple meditation technique. So what happened? Many times people ask me like, please give me some small, some simple, very simple technique which I can work, which I can practice, and by practicing that technique I can get my health, my physical health good, my mental health good, I can focus on my work, and if I have any diseases I can get rid of these diseases. So this very simple meditation technique, it will work on your physical body, in your mental body, in your emotional body, and it will take you to the spiritual body. So working on every aspect of the life. So if you are a student, your focus will increase, and if you have any physical pain, any problem, it will go away by practicing this simple meditation technique. If you are in a hospital, if you are suffering from any disease or disorder, just try this simple meditation technique, just 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening, and you will find out so many amazing results. The scientists have worked on this technique and they get so much positive result out of this technique. So this very simple and effective technique, and you can practice it. You can practice either sitting like this, I am sitting. You can use the support of the wall, or if you can't sit here in the ground, you can use the chair, or if you can't sitting have any problem for you, you can lie down and then practice this very simple and amazing technique. And it's coming from the Nad yoga, the yoga of the sound. And this technique is called humming technique. We called it Brahmari, but it's not this Brahmari. We have to relax in this practice. The more you relax, the more effect you will get. You are not trying to make the humming sound. You are just relax, and very gently you are making in a very relaxed way you are trying to make the sound. So how to practice this technique? Okay, you can sitting on the ground, on the chair, or you can lie down. Okay, your palms are facing towards the sky and making this cup shape, like you receive something, some prasad you receive, like we make this cup shape. So try to make this cup shape, and the thumb will touch to your index finger here. Okay, placing it here on your knee or on your thigh, or just lie down in shavasana and just closing the eyes and making this humming sound with closed mouth. You will make this sound, the sound of a bee. So making this, and try to make it longer, but not without any force, without like any kind of force, without like making your face something in your face. The face will be completely relaxed, your shoulders will be relaxed, your neck, chest, everything, all the parts of the body relax. So sometime what happen when you practice this humming technique, the sound will, you feel that the sound is coming from here, from your throat, but try to make the sound from your lower abdomen, from your Swadhisthana chakra, from the second chakra. Feel that you are completely empty, you are completely hollow like a bamboo flute, and then the humming is starting from your lower chakras and moving up and spreading out in all the direction. Do this simple technique, and try not to make any high pitch sound. The sound should be very low pitch, in a very relaxed way, in a very gentle way, and making the sound and feeling the vibration. Okay, and now next step in this technique, when you inhale the breath, you feel that you are inhaling the peace, the healing energy, the cosmic energy in your body. And when you exhale and making the humming sound, feel that the vibration is spreading in your whole body. In every cell is getting this vibration, this energy, this powerful energy which you have received by inhaling. So when you inhale the positive energy inside your body, and when you exhale and making the humming, feel that this energy, this vibration is moving in your each and every organs, And suppose if you have any problem, suppose you have any knee issue, or you have some issue related to your heart or kidney or gallbladder or abdomen, so any part, suppose you have problem in your knee, so inhale, feel that the cosmic energy, the healing energy is moving through your body and reaching to your knees. And when you make the humming, feel that the vibration is going to your knee and is spreading there and healing the knees. So this practice you will do with the feelings, inhaling with the feeling, and when you exhale and making the humming, feel that vibration. So look at this in the scientific way. So everything have a vibration, every material, every mass have the vibration. So same way we are in the humming process, we are creating this energy field, we are creating this vibration, and vibration is so much powerful. When you vibrate something with high frequency, that thing will heal, that thing will rejuvenate. So by practicing this technique, you will get really blissful state. This is a part of the Nad yoga. You will feel really calm, really relaxed. If you have any mental disorder, any migraine, any anything related to the mental body, like insomnia or depression or anxiety or OCD, like this issue, they will get resolved by this simple technique. But you have to practice at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. So 40 minutes you take your day and make this technique to use your body, and you will get really nice effect. Just try for 7 days, continuous for 7 days, and you feel the amazing effect of this technique. And suppose if you are pregnant woman, try this technique and you will feel the vibration in your abdomen. You will feel this amazing power, energy, and this will not only very good for your body but for your child also. So for each and every person, this technique gives the amazing effect. There is so much scientific research already done on this technique. So what happens when you do the humming? There is the nitric oxide gas. It start releasing more and more, and by this nitric oxide, you will feel the state of very relaxed, very calm, and it will heal the body. It will create a nice blood circulation in the body, and if there is some kind of blockage in the body, there is some kind of pain, some problem, it will, with the vibration, it will go away. All these problems, they will go away from your body. So try this very simple and amazing practice. It's for you and it's for everyone. Just try 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. And try to make, when you practice this technique, try to have empty stomach. And try to have empty stomach. That will give more effect to your body, to your mind. So please try this technique at least 7 days. If you try it daily, you will feel the amazing effect of this technique. So very simple technique, very simple formula. You will take it and you will get the amazing and beautiful effect. So try this technique and let me know. If you have any question, any doubt, any problem, you can ask me, you can email me, you can give the comments. And so take care everyone. Be happy, be healthy, and spread the love and joy in this universe. Be happy. Take care.